Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tackle a topic that has been causing frustration for many developers out there. Have you ever encountered an issue where your system extension fails to load when the developer mode is off and system integrity protection, SIP, is enabled? If so, you're not alone. This problem can be particularly pesky, especially if you rely on system extensions to customize or extend the functionality of your operating system. In this video, we'll dive into the reasons behind this issue and explore the steps you can take to resolve it. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clearer understanding of what's causing the problem and how to fix it. So, let's get started. Let's get started. When SIP is enabled, it's designed to protect the operating system from malicious code by restricting access to certain parts of the system. While SIP provides an additional layer of security, it can also interfere with legitimate system extensions that rely on accessing these restricted areas. When developer mode is off, system extensions are subject to stricter validation and verification checks. These checks ensure that only authorized and trusted extensions can load and run on the system. However, in some cases, this strict validation process can prevent legitimate extensions from loading, even if they're properly signed and notarized. One common reason for this issue is a mismatch between the extension's entitlements and the actual permissions required to access certain system resources. Entitlements are essentially a set of permissions that define what an extension can and cannot do on the system. If an extension requires more permissions than its entitlements allow, it will fail to load. Another possible cause is a problem with the extension signature or notarization. If the signature or notarization process is faulty, the operating system may flag the extension as untrusted or malicious, preventing it from loading. To resolve this issue, you'll need to identify and address the root cause of the problem. Let's explore some possible solutions. Firstly, review your extension's entitlements and ensure they match the actual permissions required to access system resources. You can use tools like the CodeZine command line tool or third-party apps to verify your extension signature and notarization status. Secondly, if you've recently updated your operating system, try reverting back to a previous version or checking for any available updates that may resolve the issue. Lastly, consider temporarily disabling SIP to test whether it's indeed causing the problem. Keep in mind that disabling SIP reduces the security of your system, so use this approach with caution and only as a troubleshooting step. To summarize, when your system extension fails to load due to developer mode being off and SIP enabled, review your extension's entitlements to ensure they match required permissions. Verify your extension signature and notarization status using tools like CodeZine. Consider reverting back to a previous operating system version or checking for available updates. Temporarily disable SIP as a troubleshooting step, but be aware of the security implications. That's it for today's discussion on resolving system extension loading issues with SIP enabled and developer mode off. If you've encountered this problem before, I hope this explanation has provided valuable insights to help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Your input is invaluable in helping me create content that addresses real-world problems faced by developers like yourself. Don't forget to like this video if it's helped you, and consider subscribing to my channel for more informative and engaging content, software development, troubleshooting, and problem solving.